Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Myfirstwig. Guys, I love how this wig looks. It looks so natural. So this is the Aries 003 wig, and it's a 10-inch silky bob. I feel like if you're gonna go for a bob, it has to be a 10-inch bob. Anything longer than that, it doesn't really give the same unless you're going for like a long bob look. But yeah, so this is the wig I'm working with today, and like I said, it's from Myfirstwig. The wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, so literally all I had to do was just to install this wig. I definitely feel like this wig is very beginner friendly. Like, it's so easy to install. You don't have to do anything aside from, you know, just pop it on your head and glue it down with either your got2b spray or your bedhead spray. Whatever spray you have, you can use. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I installed and styled this wig, not really much to it, but you know, if you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Okay, so I've got the wig on now, and as you guys can see, the wig came pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig now, and today I'm going to use my olive oil grip gel to install the wig with my bedhead spray. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and just style the wig. I'm gonna hot comb and then straighten the wig. I feel like this length is the perfect length for a bob. Like, this is really giving bob. And I feel like bobs are just perfect for summer as well. And the hair is so soft and so silky, like you can just see. Literally every time I hot comb my hair, guys, I get so nervous. I get so nervous because I'm just thinking I really don't want to burn myself because this gets really, really hot. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. I love how natural this bob looks. So I'm just going to give you guys the hair details now. So this is the Aries 003 wig from Myfirstwig. The length of the wig is 10 inch. So this is a 10-inch bob. Yeah, so this is what the wig looks like. I really, really like this bob. I love how natural it looks. And I'm going to come in closer as well so you guys can see what the lace looks. The lace looks really good as well, as you can see. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so please make sure you check there for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one.